Explain the steps and procedure for periodic and preventive maintenance of machine tool, pump, air compressor and diesel generator. Procedure for periodic and preventive maintenance. 1. Machine tools. 5 preventive maintenance tips for machine tools. Preventive maintenance for machine tools can be easily performed with a few basic tips, including the need to keep these tools dry by storing them in non-moisturized locations and safeguard them from industrial dust and pollutants. Lubricated including the moving parts, internal and fixed components, without which your machine tools are likely to break down due to wear and tear. Sharpen, particularly those tools that are used for cutting and sharpening or slicing, without which these machine tools are likely to have a shorter operating life due to constant wear and tear. Clean to get rid of industrial hazard materials and grime that can prevent your tools from working at optimum efficiency. In good shape by performing maintenance on smaller machine accessories such as the tool, screws and bolts with a digitized frontline worker platform. Manufacturers can optimize the preventive maintenance work of their machines and equipment. Let's look at how this can be accomplished. How frontline worker platforms improve preventive maintenance of tools and equipment. For effective preventive maintenance of tools and equipment in your manufacturing facility, frontline operators must incorporate several actions as part of their daily tasks, including the following: regular inspection of machine tools for any defects or wear or tear, complete cleaning of manufacturing assets including factory premise and ventilation, periodic lubrication of all moving parts in machinery to prevent damage, repair or replacement of defective machine tools and equipment. A connected worker platform improves preventive maintenance operations by empowering frontline workers to automate repetitive task assignment such as tool cleaning. Integrate the maintenance related tips into their daily workflows and check off it if they have been followed at any end of every working day every working day. Improve quality of their maintenance work by streamlining best practices through an integrated platform and removing any redundant or ineffective steps from the process of cleaning their tools and equipment. Implement daily inspection routines using a guided maintenance workflow as part of the PM guidelines. Have procedures in place to make sure tools are properly collected at the end of jobs and that any issues without equipment is reported. Pumps. The strength and effectiveness of your pump preventive maintenance plan depending on how robust your checklist is. While you would want to include all possible checks in the plan, it is impractical and inadvisable for all routine checks. Therefore, the checklist is divided based on the frequency of checks, making it more suitable, more sustainable and effective. Daily check pump exterior for any leaks, clean pump and nearby region to remove any debris. Check for excessive pump vibration for unusual noises. Check for foaming. Checks for foaming or oil decoloration. Check bearing temperature for overheating. Inspect all gaslets to ensure there are no oil leaks. Inspect self flush pumps is applicable. Clean bearing covers if needed. Check pump cooling system. Monthly check top up oil to bearing reservoirs if needed. Clean oil bulbs and level windows. Check the pump guards and replace them if needed. Clear out dirt and debris from bearings and grease them. If applicable, check that the hydraulic governors are working properly. Check overall pump systems for leaks and clean the pumping system surroundings.